Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how the website Oxford Dictionaries work. You can see I'm on the web page right now, and uh, this website has many functions such as dictionary, synonyms, grammar, or others, but today we'll focus on dictionary. First thing first, I want to bring your attention to the toolbar here. You can actually change the type of English that you want to work with. I prefer British and word English because I'm from Canada, and that's the spelling we need to use, and it's different from US English. And you can see here there is UK for Britain and US for the USA. So we will start, and I want to show you the word bear to show the example. So first things first, the website tells you how many definitions the word has in English. And if you click on the numbers here, it brings you to the definition. So if I click on 2, it brings me down all the way to the second definition. And if I click on 1, it brings me back to the first one, which is super. Then, so you have the spelling here. You can see a definition in another dictionary which is related. You just have to click. So line breaks is actually the number of syllables that are in the word. Bear is a syllable word, so there are no breaks. But I'll show you another example later, and we'll look at that. There is also the pronunciation. This is the phonetic pronunciation for those who know the phonetic alphabet. But if you don't, it's alright, because there's a speaker here that um, provides the pronunciation in British, because I am in British English, right? So the pronunciation will be in British. If I want something similar to American, because I'm from Canada and the pronunciation is closer to Americans, I can just click here and it will give me the pronunciation for American English. Next, you can see that it tells you right here under the black line whether the word is a verb, a noun, adjective, adverb, preposition, any type of word it can be. And when it's a verb, it also tells you the past form, which is bore here, and the pronunciation in phonetics. It is not, the speaker is not available here, but you can always write it and you'll find it. And also the past participle, born, so same thing. So you have for the past, for verbs, you have the past and the past participle. Now here you have the many definitions the word can have. So bear as a verb has up to 5 definitions. So there is one here, and you have sub definitions of big definitions if you want. So there's carry, and then with both or display, and you can see. So the first one is carry, the second one is support, the third one endure, give birth to a child, or here you can see bear left, so to keep and turn and keep a direction. You can also have example sentences. So you have one under the definition, but if you want more examples, you can click here and you can see more. And if you want even more, you can always click here. So you can also see synonyms of the word for a given sub definition. So here for produce, fruit, or flowers, you have produce, yield, give forth, and so forth, and all of those. And you can also view synonyms. So it will bring you to the synonym here function of the website. You can also get the usage. So here you can see, if you read through this, it's simply telling you the similarities of spelling and how it came to be and why it is how it is. There is also phrases, which are idioms and expressions used in with the verb or word. So here with bear, you have bear the burden of, which means suffer the consequences of. And sometimes you have example sentences again, or synonyms, depending on the definitions. It's not always the same. If we go down a little bit more, we have phrasal verbs, which are verbs with prepositions that have a meaning of their own. So here they are explained, like you have again the definition and examples for some of them and synonyms. They also give up the origin of the word. For some people, this is actually kind of interesting. So you can see here Germanic, Indo-European, Latin, Greek, Sanskrit, all of it. And you can have even more. And there are also rhymes or words that rhyme. So if you have to do, let's say, a poem, or you need to have a word that rhymes with bear, you can look on this website. And yeah, here there are words that are in French, like éclair or chargé d'affaires, or a lot of them. And you have definitions in other websites. So I want to look at another word very fast. It's neighbor. So as you can see here, in British English you use you in the word, whereas in American English you don't. And this here is where you can see if the words have different spellings. So if I'm on the UK page, it will give me the US similar word, or corresponding word, I mean. And again, here, as I mentioned earlier, the line break, the syllable break. So here, neighbor is a two-syllable word. So you have ne and were. And I think that sums it up. Have a good day.